master bath. Two whatever side bedrooms are. And a little bit of balcony.
This is pretty nice. Like, I would sit out here.
Yeah, I'd sit out here all the time, actually. And there's the bar street, and there's I don't know, probably 5 to 10 bars down there. A couple of them that the expats, the school people hang out at the most. A couple of new restaurants, coffee shops. Right across the street, 5 minutes away, is Wanda Plaza, which has a grocery store, a ton of restaurants inside and outside of the stores. Anything from street food to sit-down restaurants. The metro station Jinzhou is about 8 minutes away, I would say, an 8-minute walk. And Jiaomen, which is where you can get the express bus, is like a 15-minute walk away. And then there's also, you can walk right across the street, 2 minutes away, to like a river walk, lots of paths for biking, running. There are playgrounds there for kids. It's easy to get to and from work. You can do a Didi, which takes about 20 minutes. And costs about anywhere between 30 to 35 RMB. You can do the subway. I actually have never taken the subway in the morning, then the subway's cheap. It's like, I don't know, 3 or 4 RMB, something like that. I have a scooter. It takes me about 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. Or you can bike. I bike sometimes, it takes about half an hour. So all of those ways are pretty, and bus too. But the bus I find actually the most inconvenient. I think it takes the longest, it's just not comfortable.